Wednesday, January 9th, 11:55 a.m. coming from KC. How's it going, guys? Got some things I want to talk about real quick. This will be just a short little video. I'm going to do a radiation check here. I had some thought about a few things a couple nights back, and I was sitting on the couch and I kind of moved my hand in front of me, and it felt like almost like an air, like a breeze went by me, almost like if you were fanning yourself with, like, you know, a piece of cardboard or something like that. And I thought, well, that's weird. I mean, it seems like there's not as much pressure in the air or something. So I got to look at a couple things. I'd like for you guys to check out a YouTube video. It was made back, let me look here, by the science guy, that Bill Nye. It was made October 26, 2012. Now, this experiment that they did, it was the second experiment. It was on atmospheric pressure. So if you look this up, look up Bill Nye atmospheric pressure. And like I said, it'll be dated 2012. What's interesting, he's got this tube. He draws, basically puts a little bit of moisture in a plastic PVC like tube, polymer tube or whatever. And then he throws a couple of matches down in and draws a vacuum on it. Well, they're talking about basically about how clouds are formed from dust. That's all I'm going to say. Check out the video on that. It might be interesting, because then that brings up a whole nother category about lots of different things here. You know, I think they talk about these other, the cosmic waves and the energy and the dust that's coming in here. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I think they're muons. I think they're 200 times, I believe they're 200 times bigger than a normal atom, basically, element anyway. And the thing of it is, I got thinking about this, and in this video too, they talk about gravity and how that acts upon everything, and how also it cools too. But check it out. It's something to see how much pressure is pushing down on us, and what's around us, and what gravity is causing also. Let's check out the Geiger counter here, see where we're at. Got a total count so far 43, CPM 17, it's about normal. I'm still getting readings on and off, guys. I don't post all the ratings that I get, but sometimes this thing will drop down on the CPMs all the way down to, like, you know, 6, 7, I mean, and stay there for a while. You know, if they talk about, like, the protons, and the protons aren't there from our sun coming this way, they never explain fully exactly, you know, more detail what that would entail then. I mean, I got a pretty good idea. 22 CPM, 60 total count, 139 on the Sievers, guys. Look at this sky, nice and blue in the sun. That cloud and sky. What's interesting is when they chemtrail, it clouds up, but then it breaks off too. And then you get to think about this. If chemtrails, if they weren't chemtrailing at all, doing any of it, you know, how would the cosmic rays actually be? My theory on the chemtrail deal was they're probably either trying to either reflect the radiation or absorb the radiation by using some other kind of particle. But if you go in and look at some other things about the last mini ice age, and about how, you know, it reflects basically when it comes down here, the heating and cooling process, and it's kind of a vicious cycle how it takes place. Anyway, this will be a short video right now, guys. Have a good one.